Hey, Brian Sensei here. In this video, we're going to look at how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting on your Outlook calendar and how to invite your attendees. Let's check it out. All right, so first thing we need to do is open up the Microsoft Teams app. You can either do this in the browser by going to teams.live.com, or you can open up the desktop version by searching for Teams. And in this case, I'm going to use the Microsoft Teams Home app. All right, once Teams loads up, you're going to want to come over to the far left and click on the calendar. Now, here you're going to basically be seeing your Outlook calendar. It will pull in all the events that are already existing on your Microsoft 365 calendar. But you can also schedule meetings in here. To schedule a meeting, you can start by clicking on New Meeting up here at the top right, or you can navigate to the day and time where you want to schedule your meeting and click on the calendar itself. In this case, I want to schedule a meeting at 1 o'clock on Friday, so I'll click right here, and this will open up my new meeting form where I can begin adding the information. First, I need to provide a title. In this case, I'm creating a meeting for a new instructor orientation. Next, type in the name of the person that you are inviting to the meeting. In this case, I'm inviting Phil Collins, who will be a new instructor at my School of Rock. I hope he doesn't miss the meeting this time. Oh, did I miss again? I think I missed again. Oh. Okay, so you can see it already has the date and start time based on where I clicked on my calendar, but I could adjust this if I needed to. The end time is going to be 2 o'clock, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust that. It's a 1-hour meeting. If this is going to be a recurring meeting, you could actually click here and set it up as a recurring daily, weekly, monthly, etc. meeting. Here where we have add location, we don't have to do anything here because this is going to be an online Teams meeting and it will automatically add that as the location. All right, over here on the far right, you're going to see a couple of settings. One is who can bypass the lobby. You can set this up to only yourself. That way you can make sure no one gets into the meeting until you get there and start it. Or you could set it so everyone can bypass the lobby, or the default is people who were invited can bypass the lobby. The lobby is basically a holding place. People will still be able to join the Teams meeting, but they will not be able to interact with anyone else until you start the meeting. The next setting is who can present. By default, it's set to where everyone can present, meaning they can share their screens during the meeting. If you'd like to change this, maybe only you are the person that needs to be a presenter, you can switch that to only me. However, do know that you can change these settings during the meeting. All right, that's it. Now I'm going to go ahead and send this off. And just as an FYI, once I send this, it will also send an email to my attendees notifying them that I have scheduled a meeting and they can accept or decline the meeting. All right, let's send it off. Here you have an opportunity to copy the meeting link and send it to someone manually by email. And when we go back to our calendar, we're going to see here that this new meeting has been created. Now, you'll see here when we double click on the meeting and open it back up, you'll notice that the Teams meeting information has been provided. So we have the link to join the meeting right here. Notice in the location, it reads Microsoft Teams meeting. Another thing you can do here is go ahead and add more information about your meeting in the details. And then we can send the update. All right, let's see what this looks like from Phil's point of view. Okay, so here we are in Phil's inbox. We've clicked on the email we've received, and we can see this information. As we scroll down, we see the meeting link to join. Up here at the top right, I can respond with a yes, maybe, or no. I'll go ahead and respond yes. All right, now that I've responded yes, let's go over to Phil's calendar and look at that. We can see the new event has been added to his calendar. We can double click on this And we can join the meeting right here or up here with this button. All right, and that is how you schedule a Teams online meeting using the Microsoft Teams app. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. It doesn't cost you anything to do this, and it will help me keep my channel going. Also, if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.